With the bottom cut and dry fit, everything fits really nice. The only issue that I notice is that the distance on the ends is a little bit smaller than the distance in the middle. This has caused a very small gap, but if I squeeze the boards together, that gap closes. So when I install this, I will be putting a couple clamps underneath and very loosely tightening those down just to pull that in. This will be installed with a little bit of glue on the top edge of the cleat. The bottom is going to sit in there, and I'm going to add some weight to kind of hold this down, and then I'll add those couple clamps in the front. And with that bottom installed, we're going to let that dry for 24 hours.